Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Learning Videos. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important topic called as operators. In C, the operators are divided into following groups. First one, arithmetic operator. Second one, assignment operator. Third one, comparison operator. Fourth one, logical operator. And the last one, bitwise operator, which is a bit advanced. Let us discuss each of these operators in detail so that if you have any confusion regarding this, it can be solved. This is the complete table of arithmetic operator. Now, as you can see, the operator plus, it's named as addition, and it is used to add two values or two numbers. Next, we have negation, that is called as subtraction. This is used to subtract one value from the other. Next, we have multiplication. This is used to multiply two values. Next, we have division. Division is used to divide the two numbers. Next, we have the modulus operator. This will return us the remainder of the two operands. Next, we have increment. If we use plus plus operator, that means it is an increment operator. So that will increase the value by 1. Next, we have minus minus operator, that is decrement operator. This will decrement the value of the variable by 1. Now, just check this code. I'm assigning a value of x is equals to 10, that is of type integer. Next, I'm assigning the value of y equal to 3. Next, I'm printing the value of x plus y. As you know that to print the value of x plus y, we know that x plus y will give us the value of data type integer. So, we will use %d over here and comma x plus y. Likewise, we use for x minus y, we'll print multiplication, that is x into y, we'll print x divided by y, and we'll print x modulus of y. Now, if we run this code, so this will be the output. Next, I'm initializing a variable called as z, and that value of that z is 5. Next, I'm incrementing z by applying plus plus z. That means I'll increment the value of z by 1, and I'm going to print it, printf %d /n double into comma close comma z. And next, I'm decrementing the z variable by 1, that is minus minus z. I'm writing this statement. So this means that I'll be decrementing the value of z, which is 6 right now. I'll be decrementing it by 1 and I'll print it, and this will be the output. Now check this code where I'm initializing the value of a as 10, b as 3, and I'm printing a divided by b. As you can see, I'm printing a divided by b, but 10 divided by 3 is 3.3333. Since I'm printing the integer value, so only 3 will be displayed. Next, I'm assigning the value of double as c as 10. Next, I'm initializing a variable as double d as 3. And next, I'm printing that c divided by d, that is 10 divided by 3. Now, since I'm dealing with double, you can write %f or %lf, anything is fine. So printf c divided by d. This time the output will be 3.333. The reason is I'm printing floating point value. So that is why I'll be getting 3.333. In earlier case, I was printing integer type value. So I had got 3. If I run this code, this will be the output. As you can see, we have got 3.33333. If you don't want this 3.333 for a longer extent, what you can do is, in %f, I can just insert 0.2 f. This means I'll be printing only the 2 digits after decimal point. Now let me run this code. If I run this code, this will be the output. As you can see, I have got 3.33 as an output. Let us move on to the next topic. That is assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assign the values to the variables. So we use equal to sign for assignment operator. Just check this line of code, int x equal to 10. Now here equal to is nothing but an assignment operator. Now I am assigning the value of 10 to x. Next, if you check this code, x plus equal to 5. Now what I am doing over here is x plus equal to 5 represents that x equal to x plus 5. It is not necessary that you write x equal to x plus 5. Instead of this, you can use this shorthand statement, that is x plus equal to 5. Both means the same. In this table, you can see the list of all assignment operators. Equal to is used for assignment operator. As you can see in the example, x equal to 5. Next, I am writing plus equal to operator. This is nothing but x plus equal to 3. So it is internally, it will be calculated as x equal to x plus 3. Next is minus equal to, that is x minus equal to 3. So this will be calculated as x equal to x minus 3. Next is x star equal to 3. So this will be calculated as x equal to x into 3. Next is x divided by equal to 3. This will be calculated as x equal to x divided by 3. Next is x modulus equal to 3. This will be calculated as x equal to x modulus of 3. Now, we'll see what are comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values or variables. This is very important in programming because it helps us to find the answers and to make the logical decisions. The return value of comparison operators will be either 1 or 0, which is 1 means it will be treated as true, 0 means it will be treated as false. These values in C programming language are also known as Boolean values. Okay, now check this line of code where I am initializing x with the data type integer. I am assigning 5 to it. Next I am initializing y with value 3. Next I am printing x is greater than y. Whether x is greater than y? Yes, it is true. So this statement will return 1 and I am printing 1 with %d sign. So if I run this code, this will be the output. In this table, you can see the list of all comparison operators. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it. An example if I want to show to you is x equal to 5 y. So if the value of x is equal to y, that means it will return one value. That is, it is true. Next operator is not equal to. If x not equal to y, if the value of x is not equal to y, this will return true, that is 1. If x is greater than y, as we have seen the previous code, so that will return one value. If x is less than y, this will return one value if the value of x is less than y. X is greater than or equal to y. If the value of x is equal to y or greater than y, then this statement will return true. If the value of x is less than or equal to y, then this statement will return true. Now, let us see one more example on this. I am initializing age as 18. Then I am printing integer value, that is %d, and age is greater than equal to 18. I am checking the condition whether the value of age is greater than or equal to 18. As you all know, the value of age I have declared it as 18. So that means this is true. So it will return 1 in this case. Now, in the next statement, you can see I am printing one more line of code where I am printing %d. Next, I am checking whether age is less than 18. As you can see, the age is 18, but 18 is not less than 80. 18 is equal to 80. But 18 is not less than 80. So that means this will return false statement. That is 0. If I run this code, so this will be the output. Now, next we will see logical operators. Now, as with the comparison operators, we can also test for true or false values with the logical operators. So, below is the list of logical operators. First is and. So, name of the operator is and. Here, you can see if x is less than 5 and x is less than 10. So, and operator means both the conditions should satisfy. Then this statement will return 1 as an output. Or, if x is less than 5 or operator, x is less than 4. In this, if any one condition is true, so this will return 1. Either one of the conditions should be true. In the previous case, both the conditions should be true. That time it will return 1. In or case, any one of the conditions should be true. Next, we have not operation. Not operation is really very simple. Just compute x is less than equal to 5 and operation x is less than 10. Just compute this. If this is returning true, that is 1, so negate that operation. So it will be returning 0. Reverse the results. That's it. So not operation will do the reversing of the result. Operator precedence. Precedence in the sense which operator has the highest degree of importance. When a calculations contain more than one operator, C follows order of operation to decide which part of the program or which part of the code will run first or will calculate first. Just check this line of code. I'm initializing a variable called as result1 as a type integer. Now in the first line of code, I'm typing 2 plus 3 into 4. Okay. Now the output of this will be, first it will calculate 4 into 3, that is 12. Then it will add that with 2. So we are getting 14 over here. Next, in next line of code, I'm typing 2 plus 3 in brackets into 4. Now, bracket has higher precedence in terms of when we compare to that of multiplication. So 2 plus 3 will be calculated first, that is 5, then it will be multiplied with 4. It simple follows the rules of BODMAS, where brackets will be opened first, then multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So this simple rule it follows. So if I run this code, so this will be the output. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And if you have liked the video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.